Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to install new toner or put new toner in a Samsung CLX-6260FD. You press here, right? Then you put this down, you pull out this. So all these are the colors. So here are the new toners. Let me see, this one is yellow, as you see. Take this out. Okay. So it depends on which company you buy from. Some they come in plastic, some not, like this. So you have to tear this one. Then you take off the plastic. You take off the plastic nicely. So there are four. I'm putting out the first one, and he's gonna help me take out this. Okay, he's eating. So
in 100 meters, turn right.
That is yellow.
Then turn left.
So we're gonna take out the top of this plastic you see here. Just don't do the upside down. Okay, it has to sit like this. Shouldn't be upside down. Let me take out this. Okay. We took off the clip, right? So everything is fine. So we're gonna
make a U-turn.
You press.
Make a U-turn.
This is yellow.
Okay. Turn right onto 11th Avenue.
Oh, but it said yellow here. Let me see. They made a mistake here. Okay, that is yellow. This. Oh, they just put yellow. Okay, that was magenta. Sorry. Okay. You take out this guy, the old one. Then you can place him. You can put in that one nicely. So we took out magenta. So this one, I don't know which one is this. It could be the yellow one. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. You don't put them upside down. You have to be like this. Okay. I wonder why they put on a yellow sticker. And this is a Cyan, but they put a yellow sticker. So I'm gonna take out this Cyan, put it here. Okay, take out this. Then he's gonna place that inside. Okay. Then we need to take out, maybe this is black. The biggest is the black one, I'm sure. Okay. Same thing. You press here, you take out this out, you put it in. Then there's the remaining one is the yellow one. Okay. Put it there. Yes. Take out. So yellow first, magenta, cyan, black. Is it becoming difficult? Seems it has clips also on the side. Yeah. Also yellow is in, and press that nicely. Yeah, done guys. Thanks for watching, and I'm happy that we're done with this. Hope to see you in the next video.